In this video, I will show you how to add a team member section to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. From here, now we are signed up and we have access to all of the widgets inside of Elfsight. Of course, with this, we also get access to the team showcase widget as well. So to find this, the easiest way rather than scrolling through is to come to the top corner and we can search for team. And right here, we can see the team showcase widget. So we can go ahead and click into this. And now it's going to ask us to choose a template. So as you can see, we have company structure, we have a small team widget, a dedicated team widget, something for like a music band, a team roster, a teachers section, fitness, barbers, all of these other things. Just keep in mind that these are all customizable. So even though this is called barbers, it doesn't have to be for barbers, of course. So we can go ahead and choose one of these. I will choose small team. We can click on continue. And then in here, this is where we can enter in all of the content and add in our team members. So to do this, you can either go in and delete each of these and add new members from scratch. So we just add their name, their position, a little bit about them. We can add a photo, any contact information that we want to add. We can link any social profiles, and that is how we can add all of these different team members. Then we can also go ahead and we can group team members. So for example, we could go in here and we could add a group, and we could say that this is like leadership. Just like this. And then once we have groups, we can go back to each of these team members and we can see groups. We can add them into these different groups. And that's how we can set up groups right there. We can also go down to the widget title where we can change the title that's shown at the top, as well as adding in a caption. If we want to add a call to action, so you might have like a meet our team page, we can add this right there. You can change the button text and the title as well. And then finally, we have search. So if we click into this, you can choose to show a search bar and then people can search through for different members. Next, we can go down to layout and we can choose the layout that we want to go with. So I think this one looks pretty cool. We can then choose the text alignment. Going down to style, this is where we can choose like the font colors and we can choose the background throughout the widget. We can edit all of the colors right here. And once this is created, once this looks how you would like it to look, all we then have to do is click on publish in the top corner. And then Elfsight is going to take us over to this page where we can now choose which plan we want to go for. Now the plan that you choose depends on how many website views you get per month. So we can see 5,000, 150,000, so on and so forth. And we also have this free plan for if you just want to test Elfsight out or if you have a smaller website. Once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight is now going to give us this piece of text. And with this text, this is how we are going to embed this widget onto your website. So all we have to do is click copy code and then open up your WordPress editor, of course. Inside of the editor, we just scroll down to where we want to add this on the page. I'm going to add mine right here. Then we click on this plus icon, search for HTML, and then we want to drag in custom HTML to where we want to have this on the website. Then we can click into this, we can paste in the code that we just copied, and now in the editor, this is always going to show up as text. On the actual website, this will be replaced with the widget itself. So I saved this, we can now open up the website and see how this will actually look. And now if we scroll down, we can see the Meet Our Team section is now added to our WordPress website.